Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get discount on Temu. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Temu app. Make sure you have already downloaded it on your device. Once you open up it, here this is your home page. Here you can see 90% off and you can see shop now button. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see a list of items that is giving you some percent of discount. So choose your item. Once you're confirmed which kind of item you want to buy, simply tap on it. And here you can see that your item has been almost sold out. So here is no discount anymore. So go back and find another. So this is the item that is giving you discount, but it is only eligible for 3 days. In order to order it, firstly you need to tap on add to cart and then go for order processing. So this is how you can get discount on Temu. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.